In this video, I'm going to show you 5 installation tips for your hardwired Tesla wall connector. So let's get started. Selecting the correct wire size is critical. Wire size is dependent on which breaker you install. The larger the breaker, the larger the wire size you will need. Use my chart as a reference. Only copper wires are allowed. You will need a torque wrench to torque your wires. At the breaker, check for the printed torque values. At the charger, check the wire terminals. There are 3 ways into the charger: top entry, back entry, or bottom entry. There are conduit limitations depending on which route you take. If your installation exceeds over 360 degrees in conduit bends, you will need to install a junction box like this one shown. In this example, there are 4 turns that equate to less than 360 degrees, so that means no junction box is required. You'll need to commission your charger with a cell phone or laptop. I found it easier to use a laptop because you have 30 seconds before the charger times out. If you run out of time, you'll need to shut off the power and try again. One last takeaway for you. Here's a comprehensive list of almost everything you need to complete the job. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below.